Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool CNTRL-ELEC part #W11113908. Whirlpool CNTRL-ELEC part #W11113908 is a replacement electronic control board for Whirlpool refrigerators. This part is used to replace the original electronic control board in Whirlpool refrigerators that have failed or are malfunctioning. The control board is responsible for controlling the temperature, defrost cycle, and other functions of the refrigerator. It also contains diagnostic codes that can be used to troubleshoot problems with the refrigerator. This part is compatible with several models of Whirlpool refrigerators, including the ED5VHEXVQ01. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement control board for Whirlpool dishwashers. It is used to fix issues such as the dishwasher not starting, not responding to commands, or displaying error codes. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the appliance. 2. Remove the old control board by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Disconnect any wires connected to the old control board and remove it from the appliance. 4. Install the new Whirlpool CNTRL-ELEC part #W11113908 control board by connecting all of the wires back to their original locations and securing it with screws. 5. Turn on the power to the appliance and test it to make sure that it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.